in the prawns.
Look at me sometimes like all you want
the garlic butter sauce,
is run.
a toast baguette bread. Hello all, welcome to another recipe video. So today I'm going to show you how I make my garlic butter prawns. Okay, and the ingredients, it's here. I have already cleaned the prawns. How I do it? Okay, I use the scissors, I cut the top of the head like this, and then from inside I cut all the way, okay, back until here. Then after I remove and I cleaned. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare, okay, the garlic, the ginger together. I'm going to blend it, the garlic and the ginger. Okay, because there is a lot, I'm using today my blender. Okay, it's a bit dry as well. I will add inside a bit of oil. Okay. Just pop it around a bit like this. So now we're going to start preparing the prawns. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of olive oil and then add in the butter. Okay. You cannot add the oil only, the butter only, because it will burn. Then after, you add in the onions and to soak it for a while with the garlic and ginger. So I'm cooking well the garlic and onion mix. Now I'm gonna add in the prawns. Make sure the prawn, you strain it first, there's no water inside. Okay guys, so we're gonna cook it well until it's almost a pink color. After that, we're gonna add in the tomato and the lemon juice. Well, roasting as well. Add inside the parsley. Okay. Squeeze in the lime juice. And shoot it. And then add in the tomatoes. Okay. Now leave it again, cook for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, so what we're doing now, I'm going to add in now a little bit of cooking cream. Okay, that's gonna make the sauce. Now you better do it with a spoon slowly. Okay. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Okay. Mix it again. I'm going to cook it slowly for another 3 minutes and it's done. That's now almost ready. The garlic butter sauce on the top. A toast baguette bread. And a little curcuma for decoration. Thank you for watching. If you like such content, please follow us, like and share our video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.